Okay, let's open up 4 charts. First 4 will be just fine. And as usual, we will uh, plot them as a daily. Okay, go up here to Windows, tile vertically. Okay, let's scroll up here. Indicators. See the first indicator. You got indicators, you got custom indicators. I said indicators, so go down here and find moving average. There's moving average. Take him and drag him to the chart. Okay, period. We're talking about the 200 EMA. EMA method. Default is simple. We want exponential. Yeah, and apply to close. And red will be just fine. Let's make it just a little bit thicker so we can see it better. Okay, now the next one I open should default to these same settings. There's 200 EMA. Okay, let's add another one. See, it defaulted back the way it's supposed to. And we do that for the next two. Okay, let's back way out of the chart. So 200 is a long-term indicator, so we have to, we'll look at it, kind of get some distance between us and the chart. Okay, let's take the USD Swiss and blow it up. Take the auto scroll button off. Okay. There's two ways to use moving averages. The first way would be to plot two of a different setting, a different period, and when they cross each other, it'd be a buy or sell. Since we're only using one in this case, so that wouldn't be very helpful to us. The other way to use a moving average is if price action is above the moving average, it would be considered a buy signal. If price action is below, it would be considered a sell signal. But the 200 EMA is so long and slow in reacting that by the time you get a signal, it takes forever. I mean, look how much this thing rose up just in this area here. Let's pull up. That's 745 pips right there. Okay. This leg here, 1,059 pips. That's a heck of a run up if you were selling, because you've got to, it's below the 200 EMA, so you sell, and you got to withstand a 1,000-point move against you. That's pretty rough. See, again, that's not how you need to use the 200 EMA. The 200 EMA is best used as support and resistance and give you a long-term perspective of trend. Let's get up a little bit closer. You can see it when this price rose up, it hit the 200 EMA, and the 200 EMA acted as major resistance. When price action does penetrate the 200 EMA, it's usually a very significant event. Like right here. 200 EMA supported it. And then finally the 200 EMA started slanting up. So we don't get any help with the 200 EMA on entry or exits. We do get support and resistance with it. We don't have another moving average up there to do a cross. Now, as for momentum, some people would say that the steeper the move of the 200 EMA, the stronger the trend. But this is way late to go by that, in my opinion. You just can't use the 200 EMA that way. Okay, but you can tell in the long term which pairs are trending. We can clearly see that the USD CHF pair has been in a downward move. We can see that the Euro USD has been in an upward move. Look over here at USD JPY, we can see that we've got some sideways action here. So it is good for picking out a long-term trend on a chart. But that's not how we rate them. And the overall character, it doesn't really tell you how good the trend is. So with that in mind, let's take a look at how it scored. Remember, we're just having fun with this indicator. When I originally thought of doing this course, I actually considered leaving the 200 EMA out because it would do so bad the way I had it set up. But you can't leave the 200 EMA out. It's so popular. So it doesn't hit any of our goals, unfortunately. So how do you use the 200 EMA? Now we went over a lot of this stuff already. Again, it's one of my favorite indicators. One of Peter Bain's favorite indicators. I think of the 200 EMA as a huge mountain range in a landscape on your chart. It's a reflection of the overall market. Also, I've thought of the 200 EMA as like being a Great Wall of China. You have to note where the 200 EMA is. You can't just, forget about a mountain or forget about a Great Wall. You have to know where it's at because it will affect you. And that's what the 200 EMA does. Well, okay, I hope you enjoyed my slaughtering of the 200 EMA. I hope you learned a little bit about this and had a little bit of fun with it. And I will join you again next time. Thank you.